In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Wherever you decided when you're ready, whether you want to take a photo now or add already existing ones, use this icon of a photo at the bottom right corner. Now operate top camera portion of your screen to take a photo and then send it. If you want to pick already existing photos, hold this line and drag it up. This way you can access all of your pictures. Tap on chosen ones and hit done at the bottom right corner. Then send them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!